Hang on, good. We have we've taken a huge leap of faith here, and the fog set in, but we're actually going downhill on the dirt road. So hopefully none of us will puncture or come off. And yeah, the fog's come in, and so it has. I'm on your right.
I'm going over to the left.
Just pick and choose where you want to go. Yeah, bugger this. Gonna have a bit of fun. There's fog. It's bloody cold. I've got a dry singlet on. I got my Daymart number 3, which is of course dry, and I've got the same road shirt on. It's a bit damp. Got my heavy arm warmers on and my short finger gloves. Hope we don't get too many cars. Better let them go. Jesus, big V8. Hang on. Thank you. Hey, it gave me a bit of room, because you could see there was quite a bit of rock and crap there. Oh, the clouds. We're out of the cloud line already. So far so good. Oh, no punches please. Jeez, pretty steep coming up. No, Giorgio was going pretty well, man. Maybe it's a good thing he's not riding with us. We wouldn't see him much. These switchbacks bitumenized the road. That would have been so nice. Oh, hopefully we'll get down okay without any incident, and have a nice capo. I had to go wide for the motorbike. I'm actually pedaling against the brakes to try and... Sorry. There's a bit of a cock up. The switchbacks seem to be the most dangerous or difficult section to really negotiate with these sort of bikes. This is fine. I'm managing a princely 22 to 24k an hour. I'm holding the brakes. My hands are killing me. Oh. Try and take these switchbacks a bit better. And so I don't enjoy the sound. Ah, hello! They were the people that were up the top, yeah. They're enjoying a bit of a, I don't know, barbecue, something like that. That was starting to get a bit ugly then. But luckily I managed to bring it back under control. This area here looks a bit sus, and I'm having to go on the wrong side of the road too. It's a pity that towards the end it seems to have deteriorated even more. I've actually not been pedaling much at all, just letting it roll. Man, I'm getting hungry now. Unbelievable, you do one climb and it feels like it chews out everything you had for breakfast. And there's no one coming, so I'm staying on the side of the road here for now. And then we get our traditional crossover back over here. Yeah. Oh. Slippery ass. Oh, that was a bad one. Nearly lost her. Hey, doggy. Jeez, there's people living around here. Oh. Jesus. That looked like a World War II BMW. I suppose there was BMW around then. At least up to there. Wow. That's nice, isn't it? Freaking beautiful. But yeah, sadly the clouds do tend to mess things up a bit. Now this section here is going to be a bit rough, so I'm going to go over to here and get around this way somehow without falling. Oh. Yay! Hey, there's Rudy. Hello. And again. Oh, this is not too bad. Geez, my knee's starting to get sore too. I'm holding myself off the seat a little bit. And a bit, and then we gotta pull it back. Bit of a skid then. Oh, what have we got? The cuts in the road like that are the worst. Maybe there's something coming. Better zip over here. There's a stream. Here we go. Nice little stream there. God, I want to open it up and get going. Yeah. Look at. How far? 7 cars? You'd think it'd finished by now. Bloody hell. It's pretty muddy here, Corv. Huh?
This is worthwhile. Like big cars. Way to wreck your road bike and your wheels, everything.
I think here. That's it. Wow, this is unreal. Beautiful. Man. Beautiful looking road. Yeah. Wow. Shit. Better stop. Get a bit of a view. A bit of a filming of the scenery. If I can get another opening like that one, you wouldn't have just oh, can you just see it there? Yeah. I need a bit of a clearing if possible. Having to brake bloody hard. Jeez. Thank God we haven't seen any cars yet. Oh, man. Fantastic vegetation, eh? Here we go. We got a rider up ahead. There she is. Hello, how are you? Nice little smile. Let's see if I can get a bit of a view here. Not really. This bloody helmet's uncomfortable. I think my bandana's moved up. It's pretty gutsy effort on her part to be coming up here, I tell you. Be bloody hard. So this is the ride they did on the Giro d'Italia. You might have seen the Aru painted on the ground. I doubt it though. Oh man, have a look at that. Oops. Need to keep an eye on where I'm going. As soon as I can, I'll stop. Give you a bit of a bird's eye view of the Great Valley shot. Oh man. There's a bit of a bump there, which I managed to avoid. Ah, finally. Nah, sorry. Still not good enough. Too many bloody trees in the way. Oh, what a bump. I thought for sure I might have come off or had a hard time. This is glorious. Beautiful road. Like nice scenery, eh? Nice pines, lush green. And we go on the wrong side. Throw it around here. Looks like Rudy's having a bit of a conservative effort time. Obviously these are the killer switchbacks they throw in. What a gradient. God, bit dark here, eh? Bloody hell. Oh, that's a nice. Hey, that would have been a good one to film, to get a bird's eye view of. I might actually do that. If we can get a nice switchback. Okay. Bit of switchback action from Rudy, and he pauses. What are you doing? I stopped here to film you going around the nice switchback. This one's better. Look professional. Let's go get him. Another mountain biker. Hello. He stays in too close, doesn't cut the switchback at all. There was an Aru right at the beginning. Yeah. Got a bit of a smile out of her. That's a pretty brave effort to want to come here. This is harder, this section, isn't it? If you think this is a lot, once you get to the Dolomites. Look out, look out. Good, we're going to stop if we can get an opening to get a shot of the valley. Oh, man. Yeah. But I think it's about 30 switchbacks in a short distance. Look out. Our first car. Road's a bit rough here, broken up a bit, gravelly. Watch out! Gravelly stuff right on the apex there. Beautiful. Oh. Can't see too much of the roadway because it's so dark you can't tell if what's going on. Man, this is steep, but so beautiful, glorious. And we've put the lights out. Whoa, far out. Just when you think you could open it up, they chuck a switch back on you, and there's Rudy there. Look, feels like the salt water has the saltwater gargling, which I'll continue, has eased the throat bug. I feel really, really happy at the moment. Felt we've achieved something spectacular. Just this scenery, I mean, and this road, it's just incredible. Oh, come on, jeez. Camping, there's got to be some traffic coming soon. You'd think. Oh, what's going on there? Parks a car there, what an idiot. Parks a car there. Unbelievable. Oh, it is Italy. You expect the unexpected to a certain extent. I don't know. Starting to feel pretty warm. There's a great smell in the air. You can really smell the plants and that. Really, really nice. I mean, if a car was to come around the corner, you'd shit yourself. It'd interrupt your line, your progress, you know. Here we go. What's this? Man, the humidity. Incredible humidity. Ah, that's where we're going to stop. Colle Delle Susa. Oh. Wow. Oh, not frangipani, jasmine. My first sniff of jasmine. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Too good. Too good. Excellent. Right, for Rudy. There's those pink bikes from the Tour de Giro. Oops. Oh God. We've got a problem here. What? If we go further, they won't see us. So we'd better stop here.